This is Rick, the Plumbers Plumber. Today we located and we're getting ready to repair a leak in a copper pipe. Not sure if you can see this, but this house is actually 20 years old. And if you look down in there, you can see that this pipe right here, the leak is in the copper. We're going to fix them all, but it worked like that without a leak for 20 years underneath somebody's garage floor here. Both them pipes are totally bent, so we're going to go ahead and fix them both. But I'm Rick with the Plumbers Plumber, and this is what we do: is locate, find, fix leaks in pipes and broken sewer pipes also. It's pretty amazing the way it lasted that long being bent like that.